Today we have three subjects in one lesson. Must, have to, should. Have to and should are the same in Turkish, but must is different. I want to follow the order and I will begin the lesson with must. In Turkish we express must using zorunda word after the verb. Today I will show you positive and negative meanings of must. Positive, you must write. Sen yazmak zorundasın. Sen personal pronoun, yazmak verb, zorunda must, sın personal suffix. We just change personal suffix according to personal pronoun. Negative, you must not write. Sen yazmak zorunda değilsin. Sen personal pronoun, yazmak verb, zorunda must, değil negative, sin personal suffix. For negative, we use the form as verb plus zorunda plus değil plus personal suffix. I think this subject is understood and I don't want to waste time and I want to pass to have to and should. As I told you at the beginning of the lesson, the meanings of have to and should are the same in Turkish. That's why I want to give you information via should. In Turkish, we express should using suffixes malı, meli. We do this by attaching them to the verb root. Positive, you should write. Sen yazmalısın. Sen personal pronoun, yaz verb root, malı should, sın personal suffix. We attach one o malı meli depending on the verb root's last vowel. Thereafter we attach the personal suffix. Negative, you should not write. Sen yazmamalısın. Sen personal pronoun, yaz verb root, ma negative, malı should, sın personal suffix. For negative we attach the negative suffix ma, me to the verb root. The suffix we attach depends on the verb root's last vowel. Thereafter we attach one o malı meli and finally we attach the personal suffix. We completed our course, but I will record one more video as bonus. In every language, we use some special street idioms. Also in Turkish we have. In next course, I will give you few special street idioms. I suggest you not to miss this lesson. See you in last lesson. Bye bye.